guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I want to say welcome, and as you're watching me, please hit that red subscribe button if you've not done so. Subscribe to this channel, and also the notification bell icon on the side so that whenever I upload a video you will get a notification, and make sure it's also turned on. Okay, StellaZone family, I hope you are doing well. I have terrible allergies, but we're going to power through this video like we always do. All right, so today I'm just going to be making pineapple juice. Okay, this is going to be healthy pineapple juice, and anytime now I'm trying to give Nathaniel some juice, and this is a perfect opportunity to introduce like vegetables. And it's like, you know, you want to make the juice, so you want to introduce vegetables and fruit to make a juice out of it. It's healthy and very refreshing. So let's just let me walk you through the ingredient. I have one organic, okay, organic pineapple. All right, it's nice and ready. I have 4 dates. So instead of using regular sugar, cane sugar, whatever sugar you want to use for this, date is going to be my sugar. It's going to be my sweetener. Okay, I have some ginger. Okay, I'm not going to use the whole thing, but you need some ginger, just a little bit, goes a long way. I have 1 whole cucumber, okay, or cucumber cucumber, and then I have about 4 cloves here, which the cloves is optional. If you don't want that, I mean, strong clove smell, you can reduce it down to 2 or 3. Okay, this is going to be nice and simple. So let's get started. First, I am going to wash the pineapple, peel the pineapple, and then I need the skin of the pineapple. So it is very essential that you get organic pineapple. I know it can be difficult to find, but check your Whole Food stores. You should be able to find organic pineapple and organic cucumber. Okay, all right, so I will be back. Let me wash this, and then I'll peel this. I'll be right back. Our pineapple is washed. Okay, I am going to peel this, and you know when your pineapple is ready, right? If you don't, just when you know this is easy to come off, you know that your pineapple, it's really ready to use. Okay, so let's just peel this. Let's just put this on your chopping board, cutting board, whichever you call it, or whatever you call it. No, whichever, whatever you call it. Okay, so do not throw the skin away, because I need the skin. You need the skin, I need the skin. So yeah, I'm going to cut this all the way around. So our pineapple is peeled. Okay, dates are washed, the ginger is peeled, and I used I would say 12 ounces of ginger, or a couple of fat knobs of ginger, and you're okay. All right, so now I'm going to put the peeled the skin of the pineapple in here. I remember my grandparents used to do this, you know, in Ghana. They would say it is very healthy, very medicinal. All right, so I'm going to add my ginger all over it. I'm going to add the dates, and then in goes my cloves, and I have 6 cups of hot water. So first of all, you want to bring it to a boil, and then once it starts to boil, you know, bubbling, you bring the heat down to medium and let it sit on the stove until the skin of the pineapple is soft and falling apart. You know what I mean? So let's go. So there you go. Cover this and leave it alone. Okay, once it starts, like I said, once you hear it starts boiling, bubble, just bring the heat down to medium and leave it alone for an hour or 2. And I would say just keep checking it. If your heat is very high, then just bring it to low and let this sit nicely. And because an hour, if you let it boil at high temperature, you're not going to have any liquid left. Okay, you're gonna lose all the liquid. So moving on to the next step, I'm going to juice the pineapple. We took the skin off, so this is the main, I would say, the food. The fruit. The meat. It's a food. The food, flesh. The meat, the flesh of the... So I'm going to juice the flesh, the meat, the food part of the pineapple with my cucumber or cucumber.
Still works.
So empty your pineapple cucumber juice into a 7 glass or jarred mug, not a mug,
jarg,
and put it in the fridge to cool. Okay, so that when the rest of the stuff is ready, we'll add all the liquid and we will be good to go. All right, so the pineapple peel and the rest of the ingredients are doing really well. As you can see, you can tell that it's still like boiling because you can see the bubbles on the sides, but I have the heat on like 3. Okay, so this is at low heat. Sorry, this is on low heat for now, and I only have about 13 minutes left. Okay, so we'll just let it cook. After your pineapple, the skin and the rest of the ingredient is done boiling, take it off the heat and allow it to cool down. Mine is still in the process of cooling, but I'm going to continue the video. So let it cool down to like warm, where you can put your hand in there. If you stick your hand in there, you will not get burned. Okay, so now I'm going to strain. Okay, strain. This is goodness. Okay, oh, this is healthy. Okay, and then when I come over here, I'm coming back to the juicer. So this is some healthy. If you drink this, you will pee and pee and pee. It will be flushing you out. So I'm going to juice the skin of the pineapple. Okay, it's saturated in the juice, so I'm going to try and get every bit out. So over here we have the liquid from the boiled pineapple, dates, ginger and cloves. Okay, this is the meat of the pineapple and the cucumber that I juiced, and this is from the skin. I juiced most of the skin, the boiled skin, and ginger. So I'm putting that in here. So I just tasted it a bit. It is sweet. I got the sweetness that I wanted. I guess from the pineapple and from the dates. I'm going to add that in here. Okay, so I think I might end up having more. There you have it. So we have our pineapple cucumber homemade drink. Okay, this is delicious. Like, I'm telling you, it's a bit warm still, so I'm letting it cool down, but I'm going to taste. Oh, taste it. Once this cools down.
Yeah, very healthy.
Yes. Okay, I am very excited, guys. This turned out perfect and I can't wait. I'm going to sit this in the fridge overnight. It will chill. And I can't wait for Nathaniel to try these. I know he's going to love it. It is amazing. And to know that I didn't add any like refined sugar, it's even a plus. So it's the same juice, okay? I have some of these in here. It's just that I couldn't fit everything in my jug, okay? So I'm going to put it in the fridge. Once it chills tomorrow, I can mix it. But I have some of these already in here. Okay, this is just extra, so I can drink this on its own or just mix it and get more of these. So let me know what you guys think. What would you have added? What would you have done different? Like, share, comment. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. What other juices would you want to see me make? Until I come your way again and all that fun stuff, please remain in God and have a blessed week. Bye, everybody. See you in my next video. Oh man, this is